Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Piles of snow on slippery roofs can become dangerous projectiles as they melt. Consider a chunk of snow at the ridge of a roof with a slope of 34 degree. What is the minimum value of the coefficient of static friction that will keep the snow from sliding down? As the snow begins to melt, the coefficient of static friction decreases and the snow finally slips. Assuming that the distance from the chunk to the edge of the roof is 6 since 0 m and the coefficient of kinetic friction is 0 since 20, calculate the speed of the snow chunk when it slides off the roof. If the edge of the roof is 10 since 0 m above ground, estimate the speed of the snow when it hits the ground. Correct answer is the minimum value of the coefficient of static friction is 0 since 615 b. The speed of the snow chunk when it slides off the roof is 7 since 5 m by s. C. The speed of the snow when it hits the ground is 10 since 0 m by s.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.